I need to poison Grandpa. One moment. Because I know after that, they're going to go for a stab. There's no way they won't. They have to stab. Damn it! Ooh. Well, you know what? Go that way. Go that way, because I want you to. I want you to well.
This will help them see more clearly.
You're dumb. Oh, okay. That was literally the only thing we could do. Oh, you should have welled, bro.
They're gonna love this.
Where did he go? Oh, he's... Bro, how did I not hit you if you were right there? No, you don't. Where the hell? Bro. Okay, he's right there. You're not getting away from me. Damn it.
You can't hide forever, you know.
Ah. I was looking at the blood trail and I didn't see where he went. Yeah, he lost me.
It's holding you back.
There. Damn it, get him!
You can't hide from me, sugar.
Yeah, gotcha! Running from me the whole time.
Sorry, you had to come to
Oh, had to work for that kill.